Good morning, Cindy.
Good morning, Tim.
How are you today?
Good. I'm ready to go for day 2 of our trip.
Yep, we're going from Amsterdam to London, London to the Maldives.
The Maldives. But first we got to make it to London.
Yep.
And we weren't able to check into our flight online for some reason, so we've got to get to the airport a little bit earlier, hopefully. And hopefully we'll be able to get some lounge access. We're hoping. We tried to pre-book it last night, but the lounges were all booked up for Amsterdam. I did book the one in London for us, though.
So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, definitely. So we'll see you at the airport.
Bye-bye. Hello.
We made it to our gate to go
We're
to
at the
London.
gate to go to London.
Yay!
And then we're going to the
Maldives! Yay! And we made it into the lounge.
Yes, it was a nice lounge and yeah, great.
And it wasn't too long of a wait. So
Nope.
we got on the wait list and it was about
30 minutes,
30
35
minutes.
minutes.
Yeah. Even though there were 78 people in front of us.
Yep.
So definitely get on the wait list. It was worth it.
Hey, sweetie.
Hi, honey.
How are you?
Good. What are we doing?
I'm tired.
No, you're tired.
I'm exhausted.
I know it's been a long travel day.
It is yeah, it's been fun. It's been since 10 o'clock this morning. We got up at 9, so it's not that late. But for some reason, I'm so tired. What time is it?
It's 10 after 6.
It's only 6 o'clock, and for some reason, I'm tired.
He's cranky and
I'm
tired.
cranky and tired.
He's whiny,
I got
actually.
coffee, I got beer, and I just don't know what I need. I am tired.
And we have a 10.5-hour flight.
We have a 10-hour flight.
You can
I'll
sleep.
sleep the whole time, I'm sure.
I brought his pillow for him.
Yes, I have a pillow.
You can borrow my blankie.
Okay. Well, we're here in the lounge and
In London.
Yep.
Soon
And
we'll
talking to a lot of
be-
people. I've talked to Australians, I've talked to New Zealanders, I've talked to English people, I've talked to a lot of different people, and a cowboy from Texas.
Oh, really?
I've talked to a lot of people. And
None of them are going to the Maldives.
yeah, some are.
Oh, really?
The English people are going.
Oh, you're going with
Yeah,
us.
they're going to Maldives too.
Where are you staying?
Cinnamon jelly.
Okay.
We're staying at the Hilton Amagurli.
Oh, you're going to the Maldives too?
Yeah.
Okay, you're on our flight then?
Yes.
Oh,
The
okay.
Virgin
Yeah.
flight.
Yes. Yes. We will see you on board.
Let's see.
Hi, honey.
Hi, honey.
Where are we at?
We are in London, Heathwick,
Heathrow.
Heathrow.
Got him doing.
Heathwick is actually the bird from Harry Potter.
How many
Okay,
drinks did you have again?
23.
Okay. All right. Well, we're on our way to Terminal 3.
Yes, we are.
board
Hello
our flight.
for a JetBlue holiday.
Virgin Atlantic.
Okay.
So you've got your JetBlue stuff with you for your
Yes, I do.
blow-up pillow, but we're on board the plane to go to the Maldives.
Here we are. We're gonna be in the Maldives very
He's
shortly.
gonna get some sleep because he's cranky.
I
and
am tired. I'm
Whiny.
really tired. I'm so whiny.
tired. Good night.
Good
See you
night.
in the morning. Let's just do a quick recap of day 2 and our expenses, honey. So we spent how much on the airfare?
$389 in taxes and fees.
Because we purchased it with points on Virgin Atlantic, and I think that the airfare would have been $1,700, but we only paid the taxes and fees because we transferred over some points. And I'll put the points down here as to how much we used, but we got a pretty good value cent per point ratio on that one. So that was good. We only paid the taxes and fees, and it was expensive because it was out of London, which is why the taxes and fees were so high. And then what else was our other expense?
Snacks for $21.40.
$21.40. We bought some Snickers and some M&Ms when we were in London, specifically for the Maldives, because food is expensive in the Maldives. And we thought that we'll get a few things. We didn't get much. We got a bag of candy and a bag of M&Ms. So what's our total?
$21.40 plus $3.89.
What's that equal?
Okay. 10, 400, and about $400.
$400 for day 2.
Mm-hmm.
So thanks for watching, and tomorrow we'll give you a tour of the Maldives.